I learned variable today. I learned variables in Python. And they say variable is created when you assign a value to it. When a value is assigned to it, it's called a variable. This variable can be either integers, it can be floats, it can be strings. Any of the variables, anyone, as long as you have assigned it with using the assignment operator, is called variable. A variable is just like a container for storing something. Let's use an example like a bottle that you put water inside. It must not be water, but whatever is inside the bottle is the content. So now it can be a bottle of water, it can be a bottle of oil, it can be a bottle of groundnuts. So let's say now you write bottle equals to water. That means you have created a variable. You have assigned it bottle equals to oil, a bottle of oil. That means that is what we call a variable. Get? So it's just like a container. The bottle now is the variable. Then the water, the groundnut, the oil is now the content. So that is just it. That is why we say that a variable is just like a container. It must not even be like a container. It can be like a box that you store information. So it just anything that you use to store something is called a variable. So let's just say now this variable says that I should install my name in a variable and print it. So I write it like name equal to Gospel. So my name now is Gospel. This name now equals to Gospel. This name now, let's say as an example, represent a bottle. Then Gospel now is the water. Gospel now is the groundnut. Gospel now is the oil. Gospel is the content. Then the name now is the variable. What the name is containing now is Gospel. So now I'm going to print this. I'm going to print the name now. I'm going to print this variable now. Say print name. So I'll print it now so that I'll bring out what is inside the variable. Now I'll bring it out. So now this name now is going to display Gospel on the console. That is my output. So now I print the program now, and it displays Gospel on the console. So this is just it.